something I wanted to get. Going up to Sleepy Bear Dunes. Do some hiking and some kayaking. It's gonna be a ton of fun. Okay, so got to the store to get ice. Realized I did not have my wallet. So we are now on our way back to the house to grab that. And then we'll be off. Thoughts from a coffee cup. Revive your drive. That's what I'm gonna do on this trip. Alright, so we made it to the campsite. It's freaking awesome. I'm in the woods. The original campsite I was trying to get to was full. This one called there. Like as I was standing in the office asking if they knew any place that I could go. Let them know they had 3 sites available. Got here, still had 3 available. So let's get setting up. Alright, so I'm on my way to go hiking, and forgot to mention, I had to ditch the kayak idea. So a few years ago, I was going camping with the family, had the kayak on the roof rack and all that, and the rack actually failed, and the entire kayak and most of the rack unit flew all over 127. So I had it up there, and I was driving, and I could see in the shadow, I saw it like tilt, and at that point I said, nope, not doing it, not going to deal with a kayak in the middle of the highway again. So ditched the kayak so I wouldn't be freaking out the entire drive, even though I think it was good. Yeah. About I want to say 3 miles into this trail, literally in the middle of nowhere, and this sign is on the tree. I don't know where the camera is or why there's a camera literally in the middle of nowhere. I believe nefarious deeds have taken place. This is beautiful. All right, well, end of day 1. Everything is like damp, so I actually couldn't get a fire started. So I'm just going to bed. I am tired, and yeah, tomorrow gonna get up, take camp down. I have to be out of here by 11. That should, hopefully I'll be out of here before then. All right, we're up, we're out of the camp. We are headed over to Traverse City. Figured I'm up here, I'm right next to it, why not? So headed there. Might grab some breakfast or something, I don't know, we'll see. And then we will be headed down to Interlaken. Evie is there with my mother-in-law and father-in-law, so we will go see them. Alright, so my sister-in-law is in band, and this is the end of band week. or band camp, whatever. And so I am at their little, I guess, show. And yeah, so we're gonna watch that.
Bunch of directions, a bunch of commands that you're going to execute.
Who's in the band?
As they fail to execute.
So we are on our way home. Got a couple more hours of drive. Looking forward to getting home. Looking forward to seeing my wife. And yeah. All right, we made it home. Got cleaned up. Had an awesome time. Thanks for watching. And I will see you later.